Welcome to GH Fishing. Okay, today I'm gonna talk about. As you all know that I got 5 surf reel. So the first reel I'm gonna show is the Ci4 model. Right, the Ci4 model is a XTC Ultegra 14,000. The clicker sound very good, very loud. Right. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, the next one I want to show you is also Ultegra. Is Ultegra XTC. Right, earlier one was Xsc Ci4. This is XTC, the Ci4. As you can see, the clicking sound also is very loud, very good, because if we fishing, we depend on the drag sound whenever there is a fish pool. Okay, the next model I want to show you is it's an old model, 2016. It's called the PA power spin. PA spin power. Right, 2012 model. This one consists of 8 ball bearings plus 1 at this swivel here. Right, so the drag sound fantastic. Right, I think the best drag sound I ever heard since all my surf reel. Right, so this is quite good. Right, and then I got another model is the Xtb, the earlier series of the Ci4. Alright, the Ci4 Xtb, using the twin drag system. It's like a bait runner. The drag not so loud. Right, the clicking sound is not so loud. Okay, so this is one problem that I have. And then I got another model. It's called the Xsd 14,000, the normal one. The drag sound also not so loud. Right, not so loud. Right, so these two I got problem. Right, so actually I like a very loud sound to improve the drag. So what I did was I took the XTC and the Xsd model spare spool. I took out the clicker. Right, right, and I replaced with these two model clicker. So this is what happened. Right, so this is the spare spool for the XTD 14,000 using the XTD clicker. Right, this is for this spool. And then for the XTB clicker, I remove it. I replace with this spare spool. The clicker is now the Xsc model. Right, so it's over here. So what's the difference? So you can see the sound now. Now we remove this spool. We replace the one that I already changed the clicker. Right, let's hear the sound. Huge difference. Now you can see the drag is very loud. Right, the drag clicker sound is very loud. Let's try the XTB model. Okay, this is the sound before. Let's remove. Okay, we replace with the spare spool that I already replaced the clicker with the Xsc model. Let's put it in. See what's the difference. Huge difference, right? This is the one done. This is the one before. Right? And this is the one done with the new clicker. Louder, right? So this is another one way of modify your reel to make it sound louder for the drag. because when we are fishing, we depend on the drag, right? So it could alert us that the fish is pulling, right? So this is the two model. The original SXC is this model over here, right? Sound still very good, very loud, right? And then we got another model, the XTC Ci4. Clicking sound also very loud, right? We have the high speed drag over here, right? And then last not least, my favorite is the PA Spin Power 2012 model. It's actually a bait runner system, bait runner 2. Very good reel, solid, very heavy, fully metal, but then they track fantastic sound, right? I don't need a bell, I don't need a light or what. I just set the drag. Once the drag is being pulled, I know that it will alert me that there was a fish, right? So this is the reel that I want to talk about. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is all my reel. So the improve of the XTB and Xsd, right? These two are being improved. Hear the sound again, right? Okay. Thank you for watching. See you again. Please subscribe and like my video. Hopefully you can actually get some tips on how to improve your clicking or drag sound on your reel by experimenting certain reels that have good clickers. Alright, so with that, thank you so much.